Welcome to Get Inspired Crafts, and today we are going to be doing some earring cards, okay, y'all? So you'll be able to purchase these earring cards in my Etsy store, y'all. And let me tell you, I actually started these by doing an original drawing and transferring the original drawing into animation, and then we're going to use the Cruicut Machine. All right, once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Please subscribe, and these earring cards that I create, they're going to be so beautiful, especially if you're an earring designer and you want to spice up your orders when mailing your orders out. You can definitely look into the Etsy shop and see which earring cards that you like for your store. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to start by just outlining my original drawing, and I drew this on sketch paper, and we're just going to, I didn't show like exactly how to do it. It's just going to be a recording on how I created this particular design. And I'm going to go ahead and let you all enjoy this. All right, so I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to call her. I know that it's going to be Benjamin something, okay, seriously. But anyhow, so these earring cards are so gorgeous. They're so beautiful. Spice up your shipping with these earring cards, okay? This is just the beginning on how I created, they're fantastic. And I hope you enjoy, because I really enjoyed making this design. And I am just so glad that you are watching it, because we're going to have some fun in this, I guess, on this YouTube. Not in this class, y'all. I'm just so silly sometimes. But anyhow, definitely don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All right, so this is the finished look. Okay, guys, didn't that transform amazingly? Okay, so don't go anywhere because I'm going to be showing you all what it looks like on paper with the cardstock, and not only that, what it looks like with the earrings attached to them, so that you can mail these orders out. Stay tuned. Here is the final finished look. This is a really nice firm piece of paper, not a regular piece of paper, okay? It is a mixture between cardboard, photo paper, etc. And I also wanted to share how the earrings look on, okay? So you will definitely be able to spice up your order, okay? And this Benjamin Queen is amazing. So this is something that you go above and beyond for your customers. And when they open up their package, this is what they see. But yes, now it's around 3 inches by 5, so it's pretty big size, and they last long. Your customers will save these cards, trust me, because they're amazing, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Share the love. See you at the next video.